Have you ever wondered why millions of people gather by the river for the Kumbh Mela? The Kumbh Mela is one of the largest religious gatherings in the world, and it has a fascinating story to tell. First, let's talk about why Kumbh Mela is celebrated. It is all about spiritual cleansing. Hindus believe that taking a dip in the sacred rivers during Kumbh Mela can wash away sins. The story begins with a myth from ancient times. The gods and demons fought over a pot of nectar, which grants immortality. During the battle, drops of nectar fell on four places in India: Haridwar, Allahabad, Prayagraj, Nashik, and Ujjain. These cities host the Kumbh Mela festivals. Now, imagine this: the banks of the Ganges, Yamuna, and Saraswati in Allahabad throng with millions. They're dressed in vibrant colors, flags waving high, chants echoing in the air. It's a sight like no other. Sound of water flowing and birds chirping. The Mela happens every 12 years in each city. It's more than just a festival. It's a chance to dive into history and culture. Let's explore the types of Kumbh Mela that happen in India. There are four main types of Kumbh Mela celebrated at different intervals. First, we have the Maha Kumbh Mela. This is the grandest of all. It's held every 12 years at each location. Then there is the Ardh Kumbh Mela, which takes place every 6 years, but only in Allahabad and Haridwar. Next comes the Purna Kumbh Mela. Think of it as a larger religious fair. Held every 12 years too, but on a smaller scale than Mahakumbh. Finally, we have the Magh Mela. It is an annual event that sets the stage for its bigger siblings. It lasts for about 40 days, sometimes even longer. Let's talk about the cities that host these mesmerizing events. Each city holds its unique charm and significance. Haridwar, located on the banks of the river Ganges, is called the Gateway of Gods. Here, the Ganges flows swiftly, bringing purity and spiritual upliftment. Next is Allahabad, also known as Prayagraj. Imagine standing at the Sangam, the meeting point of three rivers. The muddy waters of the Ganges and Yamuna mix, while the Saraswati remains invisible. It's a magical scene where you lose yourself in divine harmony. Then we have Nashik. It sits along the banks of the Godavari River. It's not only religiously significant but also a land of vineyards. Ujjain completes our journey. Resting beside the river Shipra, Ujjain is steeped in ancient tales and myth. Sound of conch blowing and bells ringing. Picture this: pilgrims from all walks of life trekking with hopes and dreams. Some barefoot, some waving flags, all united in devotion. They come because they believe. Kumbh Mela isn't just about spirituality but about unity too. It's a celebration of humanity, of faith shared beyond boundaries. In these gatherings, spiritual leaders and saints lead processions, chanting hymns and lessons from holy texts. The air fills with the fragrance of incense, the sound of drums, the color of saffron. Feel the energy rising into the sky. Can you hear the prayers? They mix into a symphony, carried by the winds of faith. You might wonder, why do millions make this pilgrimage? Is it just about the dip in the river? It's much more. It's a quest for peace, a journey to connect with something greater. It's about finding balance in a chaotic world. Even if you're not religious, the Kumbh Mela is a unique experience. It's an opportunity to learn and witness a culture rich with tradition. A place where the past meets the present. As evening falls, imagine the riverbank bathed in the glow of 1,000 lamps. Each small flame represents a wish, a prayer floated by hope. The sky twinkles above, reflecting in the gentle ripples below. The moment is serene yet awe-inspiring. So, there you have it. Kumbh Mela, a vibrant festival rooted in deep tradition. Every 12 years, it transforms a city into a canvas of devotion. a celebration that captures the essence of faith, unity, and human spirit. Maybe someday you'll find yourself there. Standing by the river, feeling the cool breeze, you'll understand why it's one of the wonders of the world. Thank you for joining this journey into the heart of Kumbh Mela. Until next time, may you find your own path to spiritual discovery. Goodbye and see you at the banks of wisdom someday.